Are you planning for retirement? You might be making some common and costly mistakes without even knowing it. In this video, we're breaking down the top retirement planning mistakes that could derail your future and showing you exactly how to avoid them. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Starting too late. Time is the most powerful tool in retirement planning, thanks to the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Let's say you invest $500 a month starting at age 25. By the time you're 65, you could have over $1 million, even with a modest return. Wait until 40, you'll have to invest almost triple to reach the same goal. The fix? Start now. Even if it's small, consistent investing pays off big over time. Mistake number 2, relying only on a 401k. Yes, 401ks are a solid retirement vehicle, especially if your employer offers a match. But putting all your eggs in one basket can limit your flexibility and tax strategy. You might be missing out on Roth IRAs, HSA contributions, and even permanent life insurance that can build tax-advantaged cash value. The fix? Diversify your retirement portfolio. Use multiple tools so you have both taxable and tax-free income sources in retirement. Mistake number 3, ignoring inflation. $1 today won't buy the same amount of goods in 20 or 30 years. Yet many people plan their retirement needs based on today's cost of living. Inflation erodes your purchasing power, and over time, it can devastate a fixed income. The fix? Factor in an average inflation rate of 2 to 3% when estimating your future expenses. And choose investments, like stocks or index strategies, that can outpace inflation. Mistake number 4, not having a withdrawal strategy. A big mistake? No withdrawal strategy. You've saved your whole life, but how will you actually use the money? Pulling from the wrong account first can trigger unnecessary taxes and reduce your portfolio faster than you think. The fix? Build a plan that balances tax efficiency and lifestyle needs. For example, you might withdraw from taxable accounts first, then tax-deferred, and finally Roth accounts last. Work with a financial advisor or retirement planner to structure this wisely. Mistake number 5, underestimating healthcare costs. Healthcare is one of the biggest expenses in retirement, and many people think Medicare will cover everything. It doesn't. Out-of-pocket costs for premiums, prescriptions, and long-term care can easily exceed $300,000 per couple over retirement. The fix? Include healthcare in your retirement budget. Consider an HSA, health savings account, long-term care insurance, or permanent life insurance with living benefits. Mistake number 6, not planning to live long. People are living longer than ever. That's great news. But it also means your money needs to last 25 to 30 years or more in retirement. Running out of money is a real fear and a real risk. The fix? Plan for a long life. Use guaranteed income tools like annuities, cash value life insurance, or even a delayed Social Security strategy to stretch your dollars. Retirement shouldn't be scary. It should be secure. Avoid these 6 common mistakes, and you'll be miles ahead of most people. Start early, diversify, think ahead. And if you want help building your perfect retirement strategy, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the resources in the description below. You've got this. Smart wealth starts with smart planning.